In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between Apple Pencil 1 and Apple Pencil 2. Like a lot of people, you may be wondering, which pencil should I get? First, we're going to go over Apple Pencil 1. Apple Pencil 1 is for iPad models with Lightning connector and Apple Pencil support, which includes iPad 6th, 7th, and 8th generation, iPad Air 3rd generation, iPad Mini 5th generation, iPad Pro 12.9 inch 1st and 2nd generation, iPad Pro 10.5 inch, and iPad Pro 9.7 inch. Apple Pencil 2 is for iPad models with magnetic Apple Pencil connector, which include iPad Air 4th generation, iPad Pro 12.9 inch 3rd and 4th generation, and iPad Pro 11 inch 1st and 2nd generation. Now let's open the box for Apple Pencil 1. It has a cap that has to be removed to reveal the Lightning connector. In order to fast charge and pair, you will connect the Lightning connector to the iPad, or you can charge it with a USB cable. This is the connector you will need in order to connect it to a USB cable. It also comes with a replacement tip. Let's open the box for Apple Pencil 2. It does not have the removable cap or the Lightning connector. Nothing else was in the box besides the instructions. The iPad Pencil 2 pairs and charges magnetically against the side of your compatible iPad. So you don't have to use any cords to charge it or plug it in to your iPad to pair it. Let's compare them side by side out of the box. The Apple Pencil 1 is a little bit bigger because it has that cap that you have to take off in order to charge or pair. The Apple Pencil 2 is easier to grip and feels more like a real pencil. My opinion is that the Apple Pencil 2 is much better than the Apple Pencil one. They have improved it. However, you can only use the Apple Pencil that is compatible with your iPad. I hope this helped you. Please subscribe for more tech reviews, tutorials, and unboxings. Thank you.